Okay guys, again day number 35. Yes, this is my trip from Dharamshala to Calcutta, Puri, Konark, and a lot of other places. Today in the morning I was in Jhansi, and my last video was of Jhansi Fort. I left Jhansi around noon, a little bit after noon, and I reached Gwalior. I was just passing through and I thought I might stop at Gwalior Fort also. So here is Gwalior Fort, and this place is big. I've been told I'm going to have to walk around a lot. This is just part of it. I still have to go inside and buy my ticket. I think it's 25 rupees, as the guy said at the gate over there. But yeah, today has been a busy day. I'm trying to rush things up a little bit over here now. I really want to get to Manali, and I want to stay there for about 5 days. I was parked down there somewhere, and then the guy told me that I can take my camper up to the top. So this is the walking way, and that is the city of Gwalior. So yes, the ticket is 25 rupees. They also have a sound and light show over here, and that one costs 250 rupees. Holy mackerel, I'm one floor down already and this place is going further down in the earth. So let's see, I'm just going to keep on going as far as I can. Okay, getting too dark over here, can't even see the steps. Oh. So I'm happy I'm not the only one. So I don't know which one to take. I guess I'll do this one. Yeah, I think I'm on the right track on my way out. I found it. Ah, this way. Okay, so this was the Man Mandir Palace. Ticket was 25 rupees for this one. And I'm gonna have to buy another ticket for the rest of the fort. Somebody said that there may be about 3 or 4 places that I have to buy separate tickets. So let's see. Okay, so everyone was returned from the gate because they had to close the gate today. They're saying that they're closing early actually. I don't think I'll be waiting here till morning to see this thing. My plan was to keep on driving further. Bad luck.